Welcome back to Western New York Living. All right, I want all of you watching right now to answer this question with complete honesty. How many times you get sent to the principal's office when you're in school? 3. My mom knows about 1. All right, but anyways, this morning the principal came to my office. A pleasure to have with us from Canisius High School, Principal Tom Coppola and Senior Nicholas Scime, who's never been sent to the principal's office, I'm sure, in his 4 years. Is that right, Nick?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
You would remember that, wouldn't you?
He would not be in my office for anything other than coming down and do something like this.
All right, fantastic. Well, let's talk about Canisius High School. Tom, you're a graduate yourself back in 2001. It's been named by Niche.com, Buffalo Business First, top Catholic school in the area. Tell us about what is so special about Canisius.
You know, I think really what makes it special is 2 things. It's our Jesuit identity and mission. We know who we are, and we are who we say we are. But then also it's the terrific people. Our faculty and staff is top of the line. We have the best students in Western New York that join us every year. And so it's really about the people and about what we do and the mission we serve.
There might be some families right now, as we look at the beautiful campus here and those famous blue doors, who think, well, I won't be able to afford Canisius. Kind of talk, you address the affordability part.
Sure. We do everything we can to make Canisius affordable to any qualified student. And so we always tell folks, please apply for financial aid. A significant number of our families are eligible for financial aid. We have terrific merit scholarships as well, and so really going through that process all the way through the end, I think, is an important piece of what we do in making it affordable for any qualified student.
All right, Nicholas, let's talk about being a senior there. What has been the best part of being a Crusader at Canisius?
I would definitely say the brotherhood. There's just such a great bond between all the students, everybody in my class. I just look forward to seeing them each day, going to games, going on retreats with them. It's just a great bonding experience.
What's been the best part about Canisius, as far as you mentioned that brotherhood from when you were a freshman to now a senior, to see that grow, and perhaps how you treat the underclassmen too? Yeah, well, it was nice for me. My actual brother was a senior when I went to Canisius, so I was able to get in with all his friends, but then really I bonded with my class just naturally, and to see those seniors when I was a freshman take me under their wing, it kind of inspired me to do the same this year and last year as a junior. All right, and we saw some video of athletics there. Football team's doing great this year. You're a hockey player. There's a lot of athletic opportunities, isn't there? Definitely.
There's, football's doing great. I play baseball too. The baseball team went to the state championship last year. So it's just an all-around great experience for sports games, to watch even too.
All right, we have open house opportunities, Tom, including tomorrow on Sunday, then again on Monday. Tell folks how they can participate.
Yeah, we'd love to see you tomorrow or Monday. So tomorrow in the morning from 9 a.m. until noon, or on Monday from 5 until 7. You can go to canisiushigh.org to make a tea time and register for a spot, or you can show up, and we're happy to get you on a tour.
All right, I like how you work the golf. And Tom knows I'm a big golfer. Tom's a big golfer, too. By the way, if they can't make open house, or even if they do, they want to follow that up, they can shadow a student, correct?
Absolutely. We love to host shadows. If you have a son, or if you yourself are an 8th grade student, you can get to us through our admissions office, again at canisiushigh.org, and spend a day with us. It's the best way to get to know who we are.
All right. Nick, good luck to you in your future, by the way, young man.
Thank you very much.
And good luck in hockey season coming up here. And the Canisius Education, it's focused on putting all their graduates in a position to achieve excellence in their personal and professional lives. You're invited to the open house tomorrow morning and then on Monday evening. Register, find out more, head to canisiushigh.org/open house. And if you can't make the open house, or even if you do and you want to schedule a visit anytime, give them a call. Your son can shadow too at 882-0466.